everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. What did you think about our recipe from last week where we made roasted Parmesan black pepper potatoes? If you missed that episode, of course, you can check it out right here. Now, if you're like me, it's the day after Thanksgiving and you have so many leftovers, you've got a ton of turkey that people really didn't eat, and you don't know what to do with it. I have the perfect recipe for you. We're going to be making a curried turkey pot pie. For that, we will need the following ingredients. 1 small yellow onion diced, 1 cup of peas, 1 cup of sweet corn, 1 cup of chickpeas, 3 garlic cloves minced, some salt as desired, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 13-ounce can of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of red curry paste, 1 pound of turkey that's been cooked and chopped, 2 frozen deep dish pie crusts that are thawed, and 1 large egg. First step is to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. First, you're going to heat up a drizzle of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your onion and cook until soft and translucent. Next, add your peas, corn, chickpeas, garlic, and salt. You're going to cook until your vegetables are warm and your garlic is fragrant. Add your flour and mix well until everything is really well coated. Then, slowly add your coconut milk while you're still stirring and mixing. Add your curry paste and let this simmer until the sauce becomes a little thickened. Remove your skillet from the heat and add your turkey, then mix well. Next, use a large ladle to spoon your pie filling into one of your pie crusts. Then, carefully overturn your second pie crust over the first and carefully remove the bottom tin. After that, scramble your egg in a small dish and use a basting brush to brush the egg wash across the top of the pie crust and along the edge. Use a very sharp paring knife to cut 2 to 3 slits across the top so that way your pie has some room to breathe. Once that's done, this is ready for baking. You're going to bake your pie in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown. And with that, our curried turkey pot pie is done and beautiful. Now, I've had so much turkey yesterday and I really love having this recipe because it really transforms the turkey into something completely different, new flavors, a beautiful presentation, and it really just helps make this super fun and hopefully you'll get excited over some leftovers. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our delicious curried turkey pot pie. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from baker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other delicious recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.